Hello everyone, welcome to Doodle Garden. Today we are diving deep beneath the waves to draw and color an amazing submarine. So grab your pencils and let's doodle. Start by drawing the main body of the submarine. Make a long, smooth capsule shape like a stretched oval with one end slightly pointed and the other rounded. Next, add two curved lines at the front to create the big observation window. Now, draw three round side windows. Make the middle window slightly bigger than the other two. And don't forget to add a second circle around each one to create the window frames. Next, draw a curved line near the back of the submarine to separate the tail section. Add two small curved lines at the back where the propellers go. Let's add the tail fins. Draw one fin on the top and one on the bottom. These will help guide the submarine through the water. Now, draw the propellers at the very back. On top of the submarine, draw the sail. Sometimes it's called the conning tower. Let's add a small window to it as well. Next, draw the periscope and a few communication antennas reaching up from the top. The submarine periscope is very important. It lets the sailors see above the water while staying hidden underwater. It uses mirrors or lenses to reflect light from the surface down to the viewer, so they can check what's happening without the submarine having to come up and reveal itself. How about adding a searchlight to help our submarine explore the deep sea? Finally, draw a few curved panel lines across the body to give the submarine a strong metal look. And our sketch is finished. Time to use our color magic to bring this submarine to life. Let's have fun. Let's begin by coloring the main body with a soft purple-gray color. Next, color the fins and propeller with a bright pinkish red color. Using darker colors for shading add depth and help these parts stand out. Now let's color the windows with a light blue color. Look at that! A few highlights and reflections with a white gel pen really make the glass look shiny and clear. How about using yellow to color the window frames and the smaller details around the submarine? To finish everything off, add tiny dots or bolts across the panels and around the windows to give the submarine a sturdy metal look. Oh wow! Look how grand our submarine has turned out! But wait! Our submarine isn't empty! A friendly jellyfish is floating inside the big front window, and little underwater friends are peeking through the side windows as we glide through the ocean.
Hi!
What an exciting underwater adventure! Thanks for drawing and coloring with us today! If you'd like to explore more fun drawings, be sure to check out the other videos on the channel. Until next time, keep doodling and don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Bye bye now. Thanks for watching.